Good morning guys. So yesterday we ended up hitchhiking back to Belgrade. Nope. It was a successful day. I will say I've never really done anything like that before in Europe. So if you're gonna hitchhike, make sure you're careful. Anything can go wrong. I was with someone so I felt a lot safer. I'm not sure that I would hitchhike on my own, and we were literally in the middle of Serbia. So I can't believe I hitchhiked in Serbia, like it's so random. But yeah, had a really awesome day. So after me and Martina got back to Belgrade, we ended up going for some food, and then I went to my first Serbian club. So it's like 1 p.m. right now. I didn't get until 3, and it was crazy. Like, I don't drink, so I was having like Coca-Cola. But yeah, it was just so funny just listening to like the Serbian music. They didn't play any Western music, so I was like dancing around, not knowing anything. It was absolutely jokes. So today we are going to be exploring Belgrade for the full day. But right now we need to get food, and I'm going to show you guys a really nice curry place that I went to the other day because I'm all about curries. And this curry, I'm just going to say it, Serbia has the best food that I've eaten on this trip. Okay, so I'm at a restaurant slash sort of cafe called Smogvica. Of course, I found it on Happy Cow, which is the best website slash app if you are vegan or vegetarian. So I know a few of you guys said you love seeing my food recommendations, so that is just encouraging me to eat more food. I'm more than happy to show you guys because when I watch vlogs I like to see where people eat to get the good vibes. So I came here the other day. The vegan curry was probably the best curry that I've ever eaten. Smogvica also has a nice little outside terrace area, and you can just look out onto the street. I think it's the most basic part of me is literally making my camera on my phone, eat before I do. But yeah, I'm gonna tuck into this. This is a tofu vegan curry, and it's honestly just like my favorite kind of curries, the ones that are a bit spicy and have a lot of coconut taste to them, and this is that. So definitely come and check this place out if you're in Belgrade. They do other options as well if you're not vegan, but I would highly recommend this vegan curry. Like, I've been dreaming about this since I had it 2 days ago. Are you literally kidding me? Any of my friends that are watching this would not be surprised that I just did that, but that is what you get. Oh my god, I'm so messy, I'm putting this down. Okay, so lunch is all done. I'm so pissed that I spilled food on myself, guys. Like, why am I like this? So one of the things that you need to do is come to the fortress area. You get some really cool views of the city. So that over there is New Belgrade, which we'll be exploring tomorrow and Monday. Today is actually Saturday, and it's also very hot. It's 31 degrees today. I was wandering around this area the other day, but I didn't take any pictures or videos because I didn't really have like a planned vlog day like today. It's just nice and sunny today. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have a wander around, take some content, baby content.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take.
So this here is the fortress area. It's really, really beautiful. I came here the other day and I was just walking around for ages because there is so much to see here. It's just like these lush gardens to walk around, and you get the most incredible views of the other side of the river, which I'm going to be going to, as I said, in the next couple of days. All of a sudden I just feel really ropey, and I'm not sure if it's from that curry that I just ate. I didn't feel like this the other day, but all of a sudden I just feel sick all of a sudden and just like really nauseous. But yeah, that is part of travel. It's just sometimes you just don't feel very good, and right now I don't feel very good. Like, I just don't feel good. I'm trying to persevere with the content today because I need to show you guys Serbia because I'm really enjoying my time in Belgrade. I think this is probably one of the coolest points in the city in terms of like being able to, it's like a little panoramic view because you can see New Belgrade over there. You can see the other side of the city there, and it's just a beautiful sunny day. It's about 32 degrees. And when I came up here the other day, it was a bit moody, but it actually like really fit the vibe of the city. And then this is a naked man up there, just like walking around with this bloody tripod. That is one thing about solo travel is you have friends to take pictures, and then solo travelers have tripods to take pictures. I kind of prefer taking my own pictures, but it is annoying sort of lugging it around sometimes, and then every time I want to get a shot, I have to get it out, but that is absolutely fine. I was just thinking, maybe I don't feel so great today because I was out till 3 AM, and it's not like I was drinking, but my bedtime is normally like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock latest. But yeah, I'm glad I went out because Belgrade is known for its nightlife. So if any of you guys love to party, Belgrade is the place to go. They have a river full of boats where all the clubs are. Yeah, I'm just really enjoying this breeze and the scenes right now. It's so beautiful here. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite spot in the city right now. Right now, you guys.
Somewhere in the great unknown, when I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on.
So little update, I feel a lot better, like 50% better. I'm just really craving something like a Fanta or Coca-Cola Zero. So I feel like I just need to get, I don't know, some energy, some sugars or whatever. I recommend coming to this little spot here behind me. You get such a beautiful views of those tower blocks in the background. Like I'm just gonna pop on screen a few photos that I've just taken, and I used manual focus on my camera, and wow, they were really cool. So definitely come and check them out if you come to Belgrade. Some random man just like watching me vlog, and now I think he's following me. I'm gonna look in my ND filter. Yep, he's still looking at me. It's that guy behind me. He was just like, he literally just like walked up to me whilst I was talking to the camera, and I was like, this is awkward. So I was like, I'm just gonna keep vlogging and just pretend I don't see him. Other than that, I feel pretty safe in Belgrade. People are really nice. But you're also gonna get weirdos everywhere, right? I've been walking around the fortress and taking pictures and just taking in the sights for, I'd say the last like 2 hours. It's really big. There is a museum there as well if you want to check that out. I'm not really in a museum mood today. But the next thing that we're going to do is ride the famous tram 2. Belgrade has really great public transport. They've got buses, trams, and we are going to go on a tram that goes directly around the old town. So we're just going to ride the whole line. It takes about 40 minutes, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the tram 2 right behind me. I'm gonna walk down the street. I probably won't end up getting this one just because it's right there. I still need to go and buy a ticket, but it's one of the older trams. There are newer looking ones, but this is an old looking one. You can call me out if I'm incorrect, but I think I might just be losing my tram virginity right now. So I would definitely say this tram feels like a fun little roller coaster the way it is like turning corners right now. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's just like knocking everywhere. It's quite funny. Getting some really cool views of the city, and I get to sit down. Well, that was a lot of fun. I only stayed on for about half an hour, but I took so many cool pictures, and yeah, at one point I went and stood at the back of the bus and I was like holding on like I was Spider-Man in New York or something. It was so much fun. Definitely come and do tram 2 if you come to Belgrade. One thing I love doing when I go traveling is seeing the city from a different angle, and I certainly got that with the tram. So I'm going to end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You're going to want to tune into the next video because there is still a lot I need to show you in Belgrade in Serbia. So as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, you can go follow me on Instagram at Dain LUKA for daily updates. And yeah, take care and peace out.